Welcome, adventurers, to Australia, the land of extremes. This is a place where the landscapes are as wild and unpredictable as the creatures that call it home. From the moment you set foot here, you'll realize you're in a world unlike any other. From burning deserts that stretch for miles, to ancient rainforests teeming with life, and the vibrant underwater wonderland of the Great Barrier Reef, this continent is a living museum of evolution. Every corner of Australia tells a story millions of years in the making, but it's the animals that truly steal the show. Australia is home to some of the most fascinating and unusual wildlife on the planet, each with its own unique adaptations and behaviors. Here, you'll find creatures that are irresistibly cute, and others that are downright deadly. It's a place where the adorable and the dangerous live side by side, often just a few steps apart. Ready to meet them? We're about to explore both sides of Australia's wild heart, from the cuddly to the cunning, and everything in between. First, let's meet the adorable marsupials, creatures with fluffy fur, big eyes, and a knack for hopping through the bush. Kangaroos, wallabies, and koalas are just the beginning of Australia's cute parade. Then, brace yourself for the legendary predators, armed with venom, fangs, and survival skills honed over millions of years. Australia's reputation for danger is well earned, but these animals are also marvels of evolution. Australia's wildlife is unique. Many species are found nowhere else on Earth. From the egg-laying platypus to the spiny echidna, these animals are living proof of nature's creativity. From kangaroos that can leap incredible distances to koalas that nap high in eucalyptus trees, each animal has a story to tell, one of survival, adaptation, and wonder. We'll uncover their secrets, quirky habits, and what makes them so special. You'll see how these animals interact with their environment and with each other. So grab your explorer's hat and binoculars, get ready to look closer, listen carefully, and discover the hidden wonders of the wild. This is an adventure you won't forget. The Australian wilderness is calling, and there's no better time to answer. If you love animals and adventure, join our crew, hit like and subscribe. Your journey into the wild is just beginning. Your support helps us bring you more wild stories from around the globe. Every like and subscribe fuels our next expedition. Now let's dive into the cute side of Australia. Get ready to meet some of the most heart-melting animals you've ever seen. Prepare for a serious dose of adorable. These little creatures are sure to steal your heart and make you smile. Australia's animals have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. From scorching deserts to dense forests, they thrive where few others can. Each one is a testament to nature's creativity and resilience. Their stories are filled with surprises, challenges, and triumphs. Let's meet the stars of the cute crew. The adventure begins now, so let your curiosity run wild and get ready for an unforgettable journey into Australia's animal kingdom. First up, the kangaroo, Australia's iconic hopper. Built for bouncing, kangaroos use their powerful legs and tails to travel vast distances with ease. They live in groups called mobs, making for an impressive sight on the move. Next, the koala, the king of cuddles. Not a bear, but a marsupial, koalas survive on toxic eucalyptus leaves thanks to a unique digestive system. They sleep up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy. Meet the echidna, a spiny anteater that lays eggs and slurps up ants with a sticky tongue. When threatened, it curls into a spiky ball or digs into the earth. And don't forget the emu, Australia's largest bird. Flightless but fast, emus can sprint up to 50 kilometers per hour and help spread seeds across the outback. Each of these animals plays a vital role in Australia's ecosystem. They're not just cute, they're survivors. Let's keep exploring. Meet the quokka, the world's happiest animal, famous for its constant smile. Found mainly on Rottnest Island, quokkas are friendly, curious, and herbivorous. Next, the wombat, the bulldozer of the bush. These expert diggers create complex burrows and use their tough backsides as shields. Fun fact, wombats produce cube-shaped poop to mark their territory. Up in the trees, you'll find the elusive tree kangaroo, adapted for life in the rainforest canopy with strong arms and a balancing tail. And then there's the platypus, a true oddball with a duck bill, beaver tail, and venomous spur. Like the echidna, it lays eggs and hunts underwater using electroreception. These animals show just how inventive evolution can be. From smiling quokkas to egg-laying mammals, Australia's wildlife is full of surprises. Each creature is perfectly adapted to its niche. Now let's meet some of nature's oddballs. Glide through the night with the sugar glider, a tiny possum that soars between trees using a skin membrane. Nocturnal and social sugar gliders snuggle in groups and feast on nectar and insects. The echidna, a living fossil, is a mammal that lays eggs and fends off predators with sharp spines. Its long tongue makes quick work of ant nests. The platypus, with its rubbery bill, hunts underwater by sensing electrical signals, an incredible adaptation. Australia's cute animals are more than adorable. They're marvels of survival. From gliding possums to spiny monotremes, each has a unique strategy for thriving in the wild. These creatures remind us that nature is endlessly creative. They're resilient, intelligent, and vital to their environment. But now, it's time to leave the cute behind. Get ready. We're entering the danger zone. The wild side of Australia is about to get intense. The sun sets on the cute and cuddly. Now, we enter the realm of the deadly. Australia is home to some of the world's most powerful and venomous animals. These creatures aren't evil. They're survival experts, evolved for a tough environment. First up, the saltwater crocodile, the world's largest reptile. Growing over 6 meters long, these ambush predators explode from the water with terrifying speed. Crocs are intelligent and vital to their ecosystem, keeping waterways healthy. Safety is key in crocodile country. Never swim in rivers or estuaries, and always heed warning signs. Respect their power and territory. But the danger doesn't stop here. Australia's wild side is just getting started. Next, we head to the ocean, where new predators await. Stay alert. Every step and every swim could bring a new encounter. Are you ready to face the ultimate survivors? Let's dive deeper into the danger. The adventure continues. Deep in the big blue ocean, the great white shark is like the king of the sea, gliding smoothly through the water with amazing power. With its strong, fast body and lots of sharp teeth, the great white shark is a super swimmer and a clever hunter, perfectly made for life in the ocean. But did you know great white sharks are actually pretty picky about what they eat? They like to snack on animals like seals, and they help keep the ocean healthy by eating sick or weak creatures. Shark attacks almost never happen. Sharks aren't mean or scary, they're just curious. If you go swimming, it's safest to stay away from the water early in the morning or late at night. And don't swim near places where seals hang out. Now let's meet the box jellyfish. This sea creature is almost see-through and floats gently in the warm waters of northern Australia. The box jellyfish has long, wiggly tentacles that you can barely see. If you touch them, they can give you a very painful sting. So it's important to be careful. When it's jellyfish season, you can wear special stinger suits to protect yourself, and always swim at beaches where lifeguards are watching out for everyone. If someone does get stung, lifeguards use vinegar to help, and it's important to get help from an adult or a lifeguard right away. The box jellyfish looks beautiful, but it reminds us that some of the prettiest things in nature can also be dangerous, so we need to be careful and smart. Sharks and jellyfish are both super important for the ocean. They help keep everything in balance, so lots of different sea animals can live together. The best way to stay safe is to respect these amazing animals and learn about where they live. That way we can enjoy the ocean and keep everyone safe. The ocean is full of surprises. Some are a little dangerous, but all of them are wonderful to see. Every trip to the beach is a chance to discover something new. Now let's head back to land and see what other wild and amazing animals Australia has waiting for us. On land, danger can be right under your feet. In Australia, every step outdoors is a reminder that the wild is never far away, and sometimes it's hiding in plain sight. Australia is home to the world's most venomous snakes, like the eastern brown and the inland taipan. These reptiles are not only fascinating, but also command respect for their power and stealth. The eastern brown is responsible for most snakebite deaths, often found near human settlements. It's quick, alert, and can blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it a hidden threat in gardens and fields. The inland taipan's venom is the most potent of any land snake, but it's shy and rarely encountered. This elusive serpent prefers the remote outback, avoiding humans whenever possible. These snakes aren't monsters, they're efficient hunters, evolved for survival. Their role in the ecosystem is vital, keeping rodent populations in check and maintaining balance in the wild. Now to spiders, the infamous redback and the notorious Sydney funnel web. Both are small, but their reputations loom large in Australian folklore. Redbacks hide in dark places. Only the female's bite is dangerous, but antivenom has made fatalities a thing of the past. Still, their webs can be found in sheds, mailboxes, and under outdoor furniture. The Sydney funnel web is aggressive, with venom especially toxic to humans. Its fangs can pierce through fingernails and even shoes, making it a formidable creature to encounter. Its bite is a medical emergency, but antivenom has saved countless lives. Thanks to modern medicine, what was once deadly is now treatable, though caution is always advised. Always check shoes and wear gloves when gardening. Simple habits like these can prevent unwanted encounters with Australia's most dangerous residents. Australia's snakes and spiders are fascinating survivors, perfectly adapted to their harsh environments. Their beauty and danger are two sides of the same coin. With knowledge and caution, you can stay safe. Respecting these creatures and understanding their habits is the key to coexisting in this remarkable land. Next, let's meet the masters of camouflage, animals that disappear before your very eyes. Some of Australia's deadliest creatures are experts at hiding in plain sight. The stonefish, the world's most venomous fish, looks just like a rock on the seafloor. Stepping on one can be fatal. Wear reef shoes and shuffle your feet in shallow water. Hot water helps break down the venom, but immediate medical help is vital. The blue-ringed octopus, tiny but deadly, flashes bright blue rings as a warning. Its painless bite delivers a neurotoxin with no antivenom. Paralysis can set in quickly. Survival depends on immediate CPR until the toxin wears off. Never touch unknown marine creatures, no matter how beautiful. Camouflage is their superpower, and your cue to admire from a distance. Now, let's wrap up our wild journey. That's Australia's wildlife, adorable and awe-inspiring, deadly and dramatic. From smiling quokkas to powerful sharks, every creature has a role in this land of extremes. The cute animals capture our hearts. The deadly ones command our respect. Both are vital to the ecosystem and fascinating in their own ways. Which side are you on? Team cute or team deadly? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more wild adventures. Thanks for joining this epic wildlife showdown. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and see you next time.